told you you so extra, but I know I'm the same, yeah. Love me in spite of my truth.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you what's in my makeup bag, and I will be showing you guys what I highly suggest that you purchase. So let's get right to the video. Okay, y'all, so this is my makeup bag. I got it from Burlington Coat Factory, and I really like the pattern and I love the color. So this is my makeup bag. I'm gonna do this like a old school video, the YouTube old school makeup videos. This is gonna be like a homegirl style. Let me just empty out the bag and show you guys everything that I have. So the first item is the Supreme Nude Artist Couture palette. Y'all, if you have a bomb nude palette, you can do just about any look. So that's a look that I normally go for. I love this palette, and I have the Supreme Bronze Artist Couture palette. Now I use this palette for like smoking out my eyeliner because I love a natural look. So that's what I'll use. I want to show you guys a couple of swatches just so you can see how the shadow look. It's very pigmented, and I love the brown. I don't like super dark browns. I like a hot chocolate brown just to give my eye look some contrast. I love neutral colors. They just look right on my skin tone. Also, I want to show you guys this beautiful gold. Now, this is a shimmery color, and if you are going to use a shimmery color, I would highly suggest that you keep it on your lid unless you know exactly how to blend it out. I never take my shimmery colors up to my crease area unless I'm going for a specific look. Also, I want to show you guys this beautiful green. Now look at that combination, girl. This is going to be the bomb for the fall time. So pretty. And I want to show you guys the Sephora Captivate palette. Now this is bae for me. I had that on in my last video. That's a highlighter, some shimmer, bronzer. It's a nice palette, y'all. You got to check it out. But you see how I just melt in my skin? I love this, and it doesn't cost a lot. I think it's like 20 bucks. Yes. Also, I want to show you guys the Anastasia blush trio, the cocktail party blush trio. Beautiful. It looks so good on dark skin tones. Now when you get blush, girl, especially for a darker skin tone, find you a beautiful pink, a peach blush, and like a bronzy berry blush too. Love it. Fenty Beauty got the bomb on bronzers. Thick Mint is my favorite. You can keep it light with a bronzer, or you can build it up. This is beautiful. Highly recommend that you purchase that. Now I have the Saie, girl, I hope I'm saying it right. Anyway, this is a clean brand. I love it. I mixed the primer in with my foundation. It gives you a beautiful glowy dewy look. I love it. Love my finished look. And this is the Makeup by Mario lip cream. This is almost bare. I use it when I'm going for a ombre lip. If you have not subscribed to my channel, subscribe, because I'm cracking out these videos. I'm pumping out these videos, especially the ones that you guys would like. But anyway, I have the Fenty Fussy. This is a must. Sis, if you need a nice lip gloss, go check out the Fenty Fussy. This is Sephora gloss. It's like a baby doll pink. It's cute. I mean, whatever, but anyway, the Fenty Fussy is the bomb. This is my Sephora lip liner in molasses. Check it out, guys. I love this look. I wear this lip liner all the time. And now I want to show you guys the Hydrating Longwear Foundation by Rihanna. I don't know why she discontinued that, y'all. My number is 420. And then I have the Huda Beauty Faux Filter Concealer. Now I let mine dry down for about 2 minutes, and then, girl, I buff that thing out. And when I tell you I have an airbrush finish when I'm done, that is a must. You gotta try that concealer. Also, I have the Milk Concealer. I love Milk, to be quite honest, and I am in the process of transitioning to clean brands. I want to support more clean brands. It's just healthier for your skin, better for your skin. And this is Calliray Foundation. Now check out that look. I love the finished look every time I wear that foundation. Next, we have the 24-Hour Brow Setter by Benefit. A must. Sis, you got to try it out. I also have the Translucent Powder by Laura Mercier. I don't care what your skin tone may be, that is going to work for you. And then I have the Lancome liquid eyeliner, and that is the ultra precise waterproof liner with a felt tip. So if you really want that crispy wing liner, go for liners like that. I have the Anastasia brow freeze. Now I use this like a hairstyler, so I'll put that on before I actually fill in my brows. I love that as well. I have the what's that, Benefit brow pencil. Yeah, that was Benefit. Nice, but I still love my Sephora. And then I have some Sephora liners. Oh, this is a nude liner, gotta check that out. Also, I have the Rare Beauty liquid eyeliner, y'all, one of my favorites, Selena Snap. And then I have the Lash Rocket mascara. Now, I don't wear a lot of false lashes, so I'm very big on a mascara brush. I need something that's going to comb through those lashes. The same thing with the Milk. I got it because I love the mascara wand. It's all about that wand. Can you comb through my lashes? Now this, I really don't like it, to be quite honest. I'm in the process of getting a new face primer. Back to Fenty. The Eaze drop is gorgeous. If you want a tinted moisturizer, go for it. This is the Dark Horse lip liner by Sephora. I like it. Beautiful. You could do a beautiful lip, ombre lip with that liner. I have the Anastasia Ebony pomade. The Anastasia eye primer, don't really care for that. It's too thick and too white. That would be great for somebody that loves to do cut creases. The Ilia Clean True Serum Clean Foundation. As you guys can see, I have a lot of clean brands in my makeup bag. But yeah, I really like that. The Pillow Talk by Charlotte Tilbury. Bomb! If you need a beautiful pink lip color, go check out Charlotte. She got it when it comes to the lips, the bronzer, the lip liners and things. I have the Bobbi Brown Nude Concealer, very creamy, love it. Now the Sephora Ebony Brow Pencil is bae for me. Okay, check it out. And then I have the Urban Decay All Night Highlighter Vitamin C face spray. And that is it for my makeup bag. Thank you for watching. Bye.